It's once again that time of the year where I decide to eat a baked potato as fast as I possibly can. Well, would you look at the time? Mondays, am I right? Anyway, this year been quite a rough one, am I right, guys? It's currently July right now, and that's like I'm a senior in high school. Crazy stuff, man. Anyway, let's get to eating, shall we? This year we have some actual nominations, maybe, if they decide to, accept. Maybe I'll do more than three. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel after eating this baked potato. Oh. Sometimes you wish you put more butter on some foods. I wish I would come more into that, make it a bit more less chunky to get down, I suppose. Anyway, this year's nominations. I'm going to nominate real people I know that might watch this. Seth Stillman, I invite you to try this. Isabelle Jester, you're also here. I'm listing you. Kirsten Falls. Zoe Whateverhernameis. I saw you leave a comment on this channel once. Nick Smolik. You know who you are. We'll get uh I don't know. I mean, I could check my DMs, but yeah, Kota. Yeah, Kota. You're also nominated. That's 6 people total nominated. So one of you better respond this year. Otherwise, I'm going to flay you, which is when you skin someone by peeling off parts of their skin. And you just kind of like do it like them live, you just like you know, it's kind of something you do, especially in cases like this. You better respond. Anyway, and this year's celebrity nomination, I'm gonna go for there's actually nothing relevant happening right now. That'll be all. I'll see you in the school year, or ideally, eating a potato.